guys. Thank you for hanging out. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's very important that you subscribe. It helps me so much. Thank you for that. I'll wait. Go ahead. Subscribe. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Hello everyone. It's Marky Mouse. We are at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. We're taking a boat to Magic Kingdom. Hey buddy. Do we need these on? No? Okay, good. All right. Thank you. There goes Eva. I'm caught on something. Help. Okay, so he says we don't have to wear the face coverings on the boat ride.
floating vessel, and docking can be bumpy at times. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat until your captain returns and gives you the all clear to go ashore.
You have to turn your cameras off as you pass through security while you're entering Magic Kingdom. So we turned our cameras off and now we're here. We're about to go in. Cameras are back on. Let the adventure begin. Hi. I'm trying to find my band. There it is. I got it. Come in. Thank you. Have a great day. We made it in. We made it in. Woo-hoo. Happiness, happiness, happiness. The joy that you feel when you get to Magic Kingdom. Something else.
It is.
Oh wow, they unveiled part of the facade, which was totally covered before, as they've been working on the train station. And I did hear a rumor that there was some train activity this week. So possibly they've been testing the train again, which is really good. Hello, Flower Garden Mickey Mouse. It's good to see you again. Wow, you look amazing. And hello again, train station. It's good to see you again. We are walking under the train station as we're heading in. Wow, Halloween decorations are up. Wow. Hi, Daisy. Donald. Mickey. Wow, look at Mickey up there. And look at Pluto. Hi, Mickey. Check it out. City Hall is decorated for Halloween already. It's only August, guys. And City Hall is all decked out for Halloween. They even have the Halloween wreaths up. Look at that. And those pumpkins up there. Everyone's taking their pictures here because the pumpkins are up. So we're in line. We're going to take our pictures too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that little red button down there. I hope you enjoyed the boat ride all the way to Magic Kingdom from the Polynesian Resort. In the next video, I'll show you how we spent the day here at Magic Kingdom.